I started this back in May 2023, being an overworked, overwhelmed mum. I had my own salon. Before that, 10 years in daycare. I loved everything about the daycare industry because it allowed me to be there with my little girl. So something that makes this part very important is the fact that I'm an angel baby mom. I've got two little boys up in heaven, and then I'm also a cancer survivor, which was the main reason why when my little girl was born, I was like, I'm going to be the work from home mama. I'm going to spend every single second with my child. I want to see her grow up. I want to be there. I want to be part of her life. I want to miss nothing. So I had a daycare center for 10 years and it served me well until it didn't because she grew up. And, in your teens, in a daycare center, it just doesn't gel. So I ended up being the mom, always working, never being able to be next to the sports field, never there at the tuck shop to help out. And I decided I needed something new. I had this optic illusion of a salon being my answer. And I opened up my beauty salon. I did nails, I did lashes, and every time I needed more money, I will learn a new skill. I'll add another service, which meant it took more time from me and I had less time with my little girl. And I ended up being the mum, working 15 hours a day, 6 days a week, just to still be the mum that says no at the front of the counter when my daughter asks for something extra, just to be the mum that still had to pick between washing powder and Stay Soft. And I didn't want to be there. I didn't want to be the overworked mom. I swear I blinked and my little girl turned into a teenager. And I didn't have any beautiful memories to say, we did this, we went there, we had this time together. So I was the mama that went to Google and I said, hey, Google, I need to find a way to make money online. And Google gave me this long list. I'm like, no, you're going to need to shorten that. Give me 10. And it gave me 10. I got scammed 3 times before I started with this because then I went to Google and I'm like, no, 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 no. You know what? I'm done being scammed. Just give me a program to learn from on how to do this. So if you're wondering if people go to Google asking for programs like this, yes, they do, because I was one of those mamas. Now, 6 weeks later, I made my very first dollar income online because the thing is, I thought I would need a husband to send overseas to make a dollar income, and I didn't have one of those. So when I came across this and I learned that I could make dollars as a South African, I was like, what? And I got started. So 6 weeks later, I made my very first dollars. I will never forget the 300 that I made while doing somebody's nails. Now, if you're from South Africa, I did a set of nails that was going to take me about an hour and 45 minutes for 280 Rand. And then I had a ding, and there was this $300 that came in on my phone. I'm like, what? Did I just make over 5,000 Rand doing nothing because I've got a system working for me, creating